Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Uh, hey guys, okay, wala pang tao, so I'm a bit early, so I'm just gonna greet everyone first, and let's wait for our host to come in. Hi, Rachel Balderado. How are you? Hi, guys. Good evening. Ang bilis nyo naman pumasok. Pero in about 6 minutes, we're going to start our Q&A live. So if you're looking forward to that, please stay there. Huwag nyo akong iwan, okay? Huwag nyo akong iwan and listen to us talk about The Red Dress, which is currently out on I Want TFC. So if di nyo pa napapanood, go watch it. Not now. Ako muna panoorin nyo. Mamaya nyo panoorin pag gabing-gabi na para hindi kayo makatulog. Tama. Tapos kung natatakot kayo, tawagan nyo lang ako para lambingin ko kayo. Anyways, okay. Do you listen to Girl in Red? Yes, my favorite from Girl in Red is Watch You Sleep. Guys, huwag nyo kaiwan ha. Diyan lang kayo, okay? Diyan lang kayo. Diyan lang kayo. Kasi you're going to meet our special host soon and another secret special guest. So, hintayin natin yan. Rachel, thank you so much. Thank you. Krisha, thank you so much. Thank you. I love you. Okay. So, ang kaganapan today is meron tayong thank you, Chan! I love you too. Thank you. Super supportive ever since. Thank you. I love you. Mahal kita. Pag napansin ako nito, maliligo na ako. O, maligo ka na. Pero mamaya na, manood ka muna dito, okay? Don't leave. Don't leave me hanging, okay? Hello, Ate Kay. What is experience shooting of The Red Dress? Mamaya ako na yan sasagutin, kaya dyan lang kayo, okay? Okay. So, ang kaganapan today is magkakaroon tayo ng Q&A live session. Interactive din siya, so if meron kayong mga tanong, mamaya, we're going to open the floor for questions. So, mag-comment lang kayo. May nakita habang totoong mumu dun sa house. I will kwento later. Are you in Japan? No, I'm not in Japan right now. I'm everywhere, guys. I'm everywhere. Hi, Ems! Ems ba name mo? Yes, thank you so much. Wait lang, kukunin ko lang yung tubig ko. Dito lang pala yung tubig ko. I look glowing? Really? Thank you, Krisha. Thank you. I'm so happy to know that I'm glowing. Okay, thank you so much. I didn't know that, but thank you. I miss you too, Ems. I miss you, our Takure K-Style Nation. Thank you so much. Kahit na hindi Zoomers related tong Q&A, andito pa rin kayo. And I really, really appreciate it. So, thank you so much. Ate Kay, manonood ka po ba sa June 2 Star Magic Volleyball? I'm still waiting if meron akong schedule. But I will do my best to be there. Okay. So, alam kong The Red Dress ang title ng aming pelikula, pero ang napili kong suotin ngayon ay yellow. Kasi, lumabas ang bagong song ni Maki. I was like, maybe I should wear yellow. Dilaw, di ba? Apply po akong bodyguard. Hi, Kuya! Kuya Shin! Hello! Miss na kita. Ayan, artista din yan, guys. Si Robin Good. Ay, hindi, si Onro Fokmo. Akala ko andito ka sa Japan, when are we gonna hang out? Matagal pa akong uuwi ng Japan, but you will see pag nasa Japan na ako. Halata naman sa difference ng mga posts ko. Pag nasa Philippines ako, wala ako masyado ma-post kasi hindi ako lumalabas dito. Hi, Ashley Ma! Please stay there, guys! Don't leave me, okay? We're going to chit-chat pa. Miss you too, Kuya Shin! Uy, pag uwi ko ng Japan, let's go! Hi, Anika! I miss you too! I miss you! How are you? What have you been up to? Hi, Danisa! I miss you too! Thank you! Thank you for being here. Thank you for joining me tonight. Yes. Okay, so in 2 minutes, in 2 minutes, papasok na ang ating host. So, makikilala nyo na siya, mayayanig na yung mundo nyo. Ate Kay, sana more projects pa aside sa The Red Dress. Sana magdilang anghel ka. I love you, Veronica. Thank you so much for wishing. Let's manifest together. Pag pinagsama-sama natin lahat ng energy natin para mag-manifest, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen, guys. So, fighting. Clairo Lover, yes, that's me. I'm a Clairo girl. I'm written by Clairo. What's the name of your haircut? So pretty. Um, I think it's just, basta layered lang po siya. Wala siyang name. Okay, let's name it the K haircut. Basta layered lang siya, guys. Ay, mahaba na nga yung bangs ko. Yung medyo ano na siya. Sinong nakapanood na? Ay, ano? Ba't may filter? Hala. So, sinong naka-watch na ng The Red Dress? Aside from my family. If meron man, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Ayan na, pumasok na sa live stream ang ating host. Malapit na siya pumasok. Mas energetic siya sa akin, kaya guys, be prepared. Be so prepared. Hi, Derek Rav! Hello po! Hi, Ma! Yeah. Let's go! Hi po, kailan ang teaser ng Zoomer Season 2? Ay, yan din ang tanong ko kasi excited na rin ako makita yan. Ang galing mo po mag-act. Direct Rav, talaga ba? Yayabang na ako niyan. Charis. Hindi. Tapos mo na mapanood. How did you like it? How was it? Well, if meron man kayong comments about the movie, you can tag me, tweet about it. You know, I'm curious to know what you think. Pero super bata pa ako doon sa movie na yun. Like, I look way different from now, di ba? Ang galing mo sa The Red Dress. Ay! Mommy, you're just saying that because you're my mom. Eme. Okay. So, ready na ata ang ating host. We're going to invite her. Please welcome our lovely host for tonight. She is my high school friend. And siya talaga ang pinaka-bibo kong kaibigan. Kaya excited na akong maka-work siya for tonight. Yes, we're giving professional tonight. Kasi usually, chikahan moments lang kami. But tonight, we're going to be workmates. Yes. So, please welcome Chia Perez. You can call her Ate Chia. So, she's going to be leading the live stream for today. So, papasok ko na siya. Okay, let's go. Ayan. She's gonna be here soon. Is it working? Ayan.
Hello.
Hi, Chia. How are you?
I'm fine. Then nag-pressure ako, sabi mo, energetic.
Oo. Kailangan mo katalunin.
Alright. Hi guys. Hello. My name is Chia and I will be leading the live streams Q&A tonight. Woo! Okay. Alright. I'm sure marami sa makachikahan si Kay. Of course, ang ating baby girl tonight. And I'm sure excited na rin tayong mas marami pang malaman about Kay and her new movie, The Red Dress, which is now available for streaming on Iowa.
Period! Woo!
Alright. Of course, congratulations. We're all so proud of you. This is a huge deal. And of course, tanungin muna kita, kamusta ka na ba? And how are you? What have you been up to, girl?
I mean, okay naman ako. I've been working on 2 projects lately. So, kakatapos lang namin mag-shoot ng Season 2 for Zoomers. And then currently, we're filming for Pamilya Sagrado. So, that's a little bit of update on me. Aside from that, I've been working on a little bit of music. So, let's see what happens to that. Yeah.
Exactly. She's booked and busy. As you expect. She's getting the bag, guys.
Getting the bag. Thank you.
So, serious. Punta naman tayo syempre sa Q&A natin. So, first question, baby girl. How does it feel now that The Red Dress is out? People can finally watch it.
Mm-hmm. So, we did this movie around 3 years ago. And all this time, sa buong 3 years na yon, tagal kong nag-wonder, kailan kaya lalabas yung The Red Dress? Makikita niya pa ba yung karagatan ng Pilipinas? Aabot pa ba siya dito? And finally, it's out, and I'm mixed feelings ako. Kasi syempre, it was like my very first film project. ever. Very first acting experience ko siya. Like, before that, wala pa akong nagagawa anything at all. So right now, mixed emotions. Very excited, very proud of myself and the whole team behind the red dress. But also very nervous because it's like sharing a part of myself to the world. You know, madami nang makakakita dun sa ginawa namin. So, but all in all, yung general na nafe-feel ko is I'm just really proud of our little project, the red dress. Yeah.
Lahat naman kami proud na proud sa'yo, baby girl. Now, sabi mo, diba, this is your first, like, serious acting project, especially in a film. So, ang ano ko lang dito is, before this film, what have you been doing prior to acting? And, syempre, chika mo na din kung paano mo na-land yung role. Because, like, girl, let us know.
Oh my God. Yeah, it's kind of a sobrang unexpected siya. So 3 years ago, I think I was in college. Kaka-start ko lang mag-college sa LaSalle. You know, I was in my college student era. You know, fighting for my life sa mga thesis projects, the group projects, alam niyo yung lahat. And then I got scouted by Star Magic around 3 years ago, around March. But that time, I was only doing Kumu live streams. Pandemic kasi yun. So,
Yeah.
I was really focused on making digital content, vlogging, TikTok, live streaming. And wala talaga sa plano na mag-aartista ako. Honestly, because I was so focused on school and, you know, social media. And then, what else was I doing aside from, prior to acting? Before the red dress, I don't think I've ever acted in anything at all aside from like school projects, you know that.
Yeah.
And yung mga school plays. So we did Hamilton together actually. I was Eliza, she was my Mariah Reynolds, period. So yeah, paano ba ako nakuha for the red dress? So Direct Ray is actually a friend of my brother, Joji. My brother works as like sometimes DOP siya, sometimes director, and sometimes my brother acts in sometimes lang like kasi he used to do theater. And I think industry friends sila ni Direct Ray. And Direct Ray saw na na-scout ako ng Star Magic and then he was interested. First, parang noong una, he was interested in getting me for like a leading lady role, for like a rom-com. But then, yeah, during this time, he was working on the script for the red dress and parang he wanted a fresh face for his project. So, he tapped me like to join him for this. But I was skeptical kasi hindi naman ako actress talaga. I usually sing and dance lang. I was still focused on becoming a K-pop idol during this time. But he was like, ako bahala sa'yo, like, you will learn from this project. And, you know, I just trusted Direct Ray throughout the whole process. And here we are, 3 years after.
Exactly. And I'm sure they also trusted you because you saw great potential. And you delivered, girl. Good job. Now, since tayo kay Direct Ray, so how was it like working with such an amazing team? Sabi mo nga, like, we have Direct Ray. Of course, you were also working with international actors, Japanese actors to be exact. So tell us more about that.
So, the whole team of the red dress, actually, sobrang small production lang siya. Very, very small. But, yung yung lineup ng cast was very interesting kasi we have actors from the Philippines, veteran actors from the Philippines, and actors from Japan. And I was so nervous. Syempre, baby actor pa lang ako. And then everyone else has had a lot of experience. And I was scared, like, baka ma-distract sila kasi hindi ako marunong umarte, ganon. But, working with the Japanese actors especially, they were very helpful towards me. They were guiding me, and then every time na may scenes kami together, they would tell me that I did a great job. And nakita ko rin yung pagiging professional nilang lahat sa set, and it really inspired me. And dun ko talaga na-realize na maybe I do want to do this for a long time. And also Direct Ray, he was very patient with me. very patient with everyone in the set. He's like the nicest director ever. I was relieved kasi nga, 'di ba, of course, when you're new, everything is scary. But then I was very fortunate enough to work with such kind and professional people. And I'm so happy that I got to learn from them then. Mm-mm.
Of course. Now, sabi ni Gigi, nakakatakot pa daw kasi pandemic pa nun.
Yes.
So how was the shooting actually? Like, I want to know. Like, di ba it was during the pandemic kako? So, how hard was it navigating that?
Oh. Okay, so when I got scouted for this film, I was in the Philippines, so I had to fly back to Japan. It was pretty difficult to go back to Japan kasi ang dami pa nun, meron pa ng mga swab test, dapat like
Quarantine.
2 times ka ata magsiswab ka here, tapos magsiswab ka when you arrive there, and then syempre yung mask all the time, and then ang daming papeles na kailangan yan sa airport, all that jazz. But then sa Japan kasi, walang lockdown doon. Like, when the virus started to spread, di ba tayo sa Philippines, nakakulong lang tayo sa house. Sa Japan, time didn't stop for them, the grind is on. Tsaka, when I arrived in Japan, nag-quarantine pa ako sa hotel near the airport for a week. And then, another week at home. Yun yung mahirap. Kasi when I arrived sa airport, I didn't know na ikukulong pa kami sa hotel. So imagine, I was so scared. Kasi I was expected uuwi na ako. Tapos biglang dinala kami sa parang this dormitory. And I was like, ano nangyayari? But, yeah, crazy pandemic times. Well, every time na pupunta sa set din, I had to commute. I was taking the train. So, extra alert talaga kasi pag nagkasakit ako, in the middle of filming, it's over. It's gonna be my fault, So, ayun, I was commuting every day to set, and then in between takes, naka-face mask kaming lahat. And, yeah, ayun.
I mean, at least nairaos, and eto na-release na siya.
Yeah.
Tapos, now, since you mentioned then na this is your, diba? This is your first film, and it was filmed in 2021, tama? So, what has changed since then? And of course, kwento mo na rin what we can look forward to for K Kurao.
So much has changed, guys. Ang dami nang nagbago. First of all, yung itsura ko. If you guys have seen the movie, my eyebrows were kind of far apart. My eyebrows were kind of fighting.
Girl!
Tsaka, kwento ko na rin, kasi nga, di ba, wala akong acting experience before this movie. Nag-workshop ako for one night lang through Zoom with the head of the Star Magic Acting Workshops, Derek Ryan. So we did that while I was in quarantine sa hotel. And first time ko ever rin mag-acting workshop. So, yun lang talaga yung background ko before ako naisabak here. And then, ayun, so what else has changed? Syempre, I think my confidence level. I mean, I was such a baby there. I was such a baby, guys. I was so chubby. I mean, it's still the same, pero kitang-kita naman when you watch the movie how different I looked. The way I spoke, medyo baliko pa yung Tagalog ko there. Kind of. And my Japanese. I mean, di naman baliko, but like, very baby. All in all, very baby ako that time. And then now, 3 years after, we have Zoomers, we have Crosspoint coming soon. So, hindi ko in-expect na from this indie horror flick, The Red Dress, that happened 3 years ago, meron na akong ibang projects na ginagawa ko ngayon. And everything, all the blessings are continuously still coming in. So I'm just very, very grateful kasi it didn't stop there,
Now, may nagsabi sa comment I think it's Romero6139. Hindi daw madali showbiz. Ano input mo doon?
Hindi madali ang showbiz? Well,
Sabi niya.
well, yeah, I'm gonna be very transparent with you guys. It's really not easy, especially for a girl like me. You know, I'm very sensitive. I'm a very sensitive girl. Iyakin ako. I think about things too much. And way back until recently lang, sobrang um, my self-esteem was low. You know, hirap akong i-build yung self-confidence ko. And it's very hard to fix when you're in this world of showbiz. But, ayun, I just wanted to say that to inspire other people rin who are going through the same things na, you know, you can do anything as long as you put your mind into it and you really put yourself first, love yourself first. And if you, ano yun? Meron akong motto.
Sige be.
Meron akong motto.
Kaya mo
If you
yan.
start acting unapologetically yourself, then you will inspire other people to do the same. So let's start that chain, guys.
Exactly.
Exactly, period.
It's a philosophy, guys. Makinig tayo kay Kay. Ay! Okay. Ito. This is like a more serious question. Ah, okay.
Serious?
Serious. So, the red dress was shown at the Miyakojima Film Festival, correct? Chika mo naman, like, tell us your experience with the film festival and ano ba, how was it seeing your film and face on such a big screen?
Oh my God. Girl. So yung, how long were we in Miyakojima? Kasi 3 days yung festival na yun. I think we were there for 5 days. Those were the best 5 days of my life. Kasi ako, I love the beach.
Uh-huh.
And sa Okinawa kasi yun, that's like the tropical side of Japan. It's kind of near the Philippines na. So when you go to Okinawa, there's bananas, there's mangoes, there's calamansi. Fun fact, they call calamansi, wait, I forgot the name. I forgot the word for shikwasa. So, yung calamansi doon, ibang pangalan. It's called shikwasa.
Ooh.
And then there's lots of ice cream and fish and everything I love. Because I love seafood, I love the beach, I love the sun, and sobrang gandang lugar. And then, dun sa film festival, first time ko rin umattend ng film festival. So I didn't know what to expect. I was wearing like 3 kinds of formal red dresses. And it was nice. I felt confident and bold in red. And then I got to meet a lot of Japanese actors na until now, friends ko pa rin, even if they're way older than me. Sobrang, they're super duper warm and welcoming. Na parang, even until na nagkakamustahan pa rin, na parang, Kate-chan, how are you? Ganyan. And it's nice na I've made connections during that film festival. And I'm looking forward to seeing them again. And then, ayun, seeing my face on the big screen was something else. You know, it doesn't happen in like it doesn't happen every day. So when I saw myself on the big screen, syempre, naninibago ako. I was like, whoa, is that really me?
Ooh.
Is that
It's a
me?
big
Is that me speaking?
Uh-huh.
Is that me? Really? Is that me on the credits? So the whole thing was like a dream come true. Dati when I was younger, delusions ko lang yon. Na someday I'm gonna be in a movie. I'm gonna be in a movie in Japan. You know, I didn't actually think that was going to happen kasi I was just a very delusional kid.
Mhm.
So guys, delusion works. Okay, keep it up.
Like, powerful ka rin pala. So, those are all the questions we have prepared. So, guys, if you have any questions for Kay, go.
Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Open forum tayo.
Open forum tayo. Kahit ano, guys. Kahit hindi related sa Red Dress. What else you want to know about the movie? Or about me? Or anything? Go. We have lots of time.
We have this one question from Romero. Like, kailan daw ipapalabas ang Pamilya? Ooh.
Oh, that one I'm not sure yet, but soon. Malapit na malapit na. Yes. Wait lang.
And then,
Oh, kanina may mga nagdo-drop ng questions, so I'm gonna scroll.
scroll back, girl. We have to scroll back.
Okay. Guys, sorry, nalagpasan namin yung mga questions nyo. Okay. Let's see. Thank you sa mga lahat ng nag-send ng congratulations. Thank you so much, guys. Hello from Japan. Hi, Sleeping Tokyo. Konbanwa, genki desu ka? Hello from the shining land of Santa Rosa, Laguna. Mga kakalabarzan! Hello! Hello, guys! Maayong gabi sa inyong lahat from from Manila.
Yes.
Ganda nyo dalawa, grabe. Thank you po. Oh my God, actually,
Yeah.
pinsan ko po siya. Charis, hindi.
Joke, sorry. Question. Guys, there's a question. Chia dropped the combo. Oh my god.
Drop the lip combo, sis.
Not now, not now. Okay.
Okay,
Sometimes.
sa TikTok nyo yan, sa TikTok ni Chia nyo yan hanapin. May Han Sohee. Sino ako?
Oh, ba ikaw?
하지마! 너 미쳤어?
어떡해?
너 미쳤어. 아니에요.
Sino ma?
Wait lang, ang dami pala nating nalagpasan. Super excited for Crosspoint. It's gonna be sensational. Yes, guys, please look forward to Crosspoint sometime in 2024, starring Carlo Aquino and Takehiro Hira from the current Hulu series Shogun. You can also watch it on Disney Plus. Shogun. It's like the Japanese Game of Thrones. If you haven't heard of it, Chia, have you heard of it?
I haven't, girl. I'm just
You should
looking about
check it out. It's about to be the next big thing. Okay, what else did we miss?
Huh?
Are you in love with Tanya?
Oh! Such a scandalous question! So, okay.
Sige, wait lang. Let's call Faye to possess me. Wait lang.
Hey, girl. Come on. Faye, girl. Hi, Faye.
Hi! It's me, Faye. What's up?
Faye, may question kasi, are you in love with Tanya daw?
Oh, nice to meet you, Chia, was it?
Hi, Faye. First time natin
nice to meet you, Chia. I'm Faye. So the question is what?
The question kasi is, are you in love with Tanya?
Oh my gosh. In love is such a big word, but yeah, I guess. Yeah. Okay, calling back Kate.
Okay, balik. Hello?
Hi, sis!
Hi, te. Okay.
Nanggulo lang si Faye.
Medyo medyo may possessions na nangyayari to.
The dress. Saktong-sakto.
Yep.
The possession. O, sino pa gusto niyong i-possess ako? Dali.
Yung possession mo, the yellow shirt.
The yellow cardigan.
View. Ang ganda po ng host, pwede ba kita maging friend?
Ano?
Ang ganda daw po ng host, pwede ba kita maging friend?
Syempre. Ate Kay, are you gonna release music on Spotify po ba?
Be. Music, hand it over, Queen.
Guys, if you manifest not together with me, if we're gonna join forces and all our energies will combust together, it can happen, you know? Nothing is impossible. Walang imposible. Exactly. But thank you so much for even thinking that I'm Spotify worthy. Thank you so much. Stop it.
Alright. We have a question from, I hope I'm saying this right, Kristen? Ano daw weakness mo, Ate Kay? Oh!
Madami.
Enumerate.
Enumerate. Weakness ko, cute smile.
Guys,
ano pa? Kinikilig tuloy ako.
Oh.
Bakit may pa-weakness dyan?
Okay, anong strength?
Okay. Ang strength ko,
Oh.
ay ano ba? Weakness ko ba? Like as a person? Or weakness ko? Like, what makes me weak?
Ano na lang siguro, para happy tayo. Ano yung nagpapahina ng tuhod? Yun na lang.
Weakness ang tuhod ko.
Weak. Like parang, nanlalambot
Yung
ka.
ngiti niya nga.
Oo eh. Oo eh.
May mumu ka bang nakita dun sa house? May mumu ba ako nakita? No mumu, but dun sa house na pinag-shootingan namin, the setup was kind of weird.
Oo.
Kasi it's a normal house, but then in Japan, kasi madaming parang mga cabinet na you slide, tas this slide. And then in like this random cabinet, I was just playing with it. I opened it, and then there was one random doll
Oo.
inside. Yeah.
Okay.
You know those Japanese porcelain dolls? Like, it was so out of place. Like, why is it there? Bakit hindi siya naka-display? Kasi usually naka-display yung mga Japanese dolls sa living room, sa entrance. But this one, isa lang siya, nag-iisa lang siyang hidden dun. And that freaked me out. Kasi when I found it, I was alone. I was like,
No, it was
no. Nope.
yung dress niya.
Ha? Naka-red kimono siya. The red kimono.
Oo.
Yeah.
Ibang Alright. Oh, there's a question from F.
Okay.
Ano daw
From where?
ang nalaman mo na isa ka sa cast ng film na Red Dress?
Ano reaction mo nung nalaman mo na isa ka sa film na The Red Dress? Yeah, as I said kanina, sobrang unbelievable nga kasi I didn't think na I was going to be an actor. You know, it wasn't part of my plan ever. Like, I was really into, like, going towards the K-pop
Manifestation.
path. Like, I was really, decidido na ako na magiging K-pop idol ako dati.
True.
Ngayon hindi na. I think I like this path better. Ate Kay, how do you say I like you in Korean? 너무 좋아요.
Wow, Hansohi. Oh.
Hansohi. If magkakaroon kayo ni Crystal ng GL series or movie, tatanggapin mo ba? Yes, a million times yes.
Fuck. Kaya ang dami nagsasabi ng ate. Tinatawag lang nila. Guys, magtanong naman kayo. Puro tinatawag ka lang, be.
Sino?
Like, ang dami. Actually, hi kay ate.
Ito gusto ko, Ate Kay, sana makakollab mo si Ate Catherine Bernardo.
Girl, i-manifest mo na.
Girl, wait. Kaya nga sabi ko if we join forces nga, di ba? Join forces.
Sorry. Inside joke.
If we join forces, it will happen, guys. If sabay-sabay tayo magdasal,
Exactly.
diba? Why not? Why not?
Alright, guys. Questions pa. Come on. Ay! Sabi ni Christine, Ate Kay, ano po ang dream role mo? Oh!
Dream role ko? Dream
Ingay.
role ko, mapasa kanya.
Ay, sorry. Sorry.
No. Dream role ko is rom-com.
Bagay.
Anything in a rom-com na giving Jolina Magdangal, you know, something like that. Very, very cutieful rom-com, very colorful. Sa pelikula po or yung si Isabel from Bottoms, if you guys know that movie.
Ay, you manifest her a lot.
Mm-hmm. I manifest Isabel from Bottoms a lot. I need to be her.
Umulit, kailan daw lalabas season 2? The people yearn for Faye, girl. The people...
When lalabas wait lang si Faye kasi tulog. Super bagay po sa'yo ang rom-com. Can't wait po.
Bagay. Ako na nagsabi. Decision. Bagay, be. Perfect.
Am I giving...
She's giving main girl. She's giving... Mga susulatan ng love letter. Ay!
Wait! Too old!
Ay,
Gusto ko yan.
Ate Kay.
Like, sulatan niyo nga ako ng love letter. Gusto ko yan.
Sana Ate Kay, makakulab mo yung Bini sa dancing. O, behap mo na go. Yes. Exactly.
Mahiwagang salamin, hanggang tunay na pagtingin. Oh, tama na.
Okay, give us 5 facts about you. 5.
5 facts about me? That's so hard. I'm an open book. I feel like everyone knows everything about me. I don't keep secrets. Ate Kay, do you have a celebrity crush? Ano?
Uy.
Si ano? Sasabihin ko na. Si ano?
Oh. Oo.
Kailangan ba local? Alam nyo naman na lahat kung sino crush ko eh. Di ba guys? Alam nyo?
Pwede. Pero dipindi, be. Bala ka. Loka?
Alam nyo kung sino yung celebrity crush ko.
Tama yan sa, sa guide questions about Kay Kurosawa. Sino celebrity crush?
Wait lang. Somebody's coming in.
Huh?
Somebody's coming in.
What? What?
Hi guys. Hi.
Hi.
It's been a while.
Genki desu ka?
Hi, I'm fine.
Keiko-san, meet Chia, our host for tonight.
Yeah. Nice to meet you, Chia-chan. I'm Keiko.
Keiko.
Yeah.
Keiko-san, how are you?
Yeah,
You look very
Genki.
beautiful tonight.
Oh, I'm so tired.
Really?
Yeah.
You look beautiful as always.
Thank
Very-
you.
Very fresh.
Mhm.
Good evening, Keiko-san.
Yeah.
So, how are you doing? Welcome to our little Q&A. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm fine.
All right. So, we
Okay.
just have questions for you. And are you ready to answer? Let's go.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Mm-hmm. But
Alright.
I'm sorry, I cannot speak Tagalog.
It's okay. We
Eigo de desu.
Uh,
All right. So, first, can you explain the character of Mia from the movie?
Oh, yeah. I played the role of Mieko, who is a ghost, wearing a red dress, and she is a wife, and she has 2 children, and she wanted to live just happy. But one day it was broken by my husband, and then I wanted to revenge. Yeah, that's it.
So that's very challenging, Keiko-san. So,
Mhm.
how did you prepare for this role?
Uh, to tell the truth, I'm not a big fan of horror movie. But before the shooting, I watched horror movie, many titles. I was so scared. Yeah. How about you? Do you like horror movie?
Me
don't-
or
Two girls.
I like horror films. I like watching horror.
Really?
Yes, my favorite horror series or like franchise is Ju-on,
Mhm.
The Grudge.
June.
I love Ju-on.
All right. Ju-on?
Yes,
Ah.
it's like
Shimizu Takashi?
yes.
Yeah,
that was
I
fun.
know him in person. Yeah. One of my friends. He is so nice. Yeah.
Amazing.
Wow. I'm very glad to hear that. Yeah.
Keiko-san,
Mhm.
you said you weren't a fan of horror movies. でもすごく怖かったです。You were amazing. Thank
Yeah,
you.
no. You too. Thank
arigatou
you.
Keiko-san,
Mhm.
how was it working with Kay on set? Like, how was she as a coach? How was
Yeah, I didn't think it was the first movie, first acting, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
first.
I didn't think so. Yeah, I think you play so natural and so brave. And even in Japanese line, you were so brilliant. Beautiful. Yeah, I think so. Well done.
Nice.
Yeah.
so much for that? Now,
Mhm.
just learn more about you, Keiko-san. So, can you share some of the projects that you've worked on before?
Before, yeah. なんだろう。Yeah. Can I introduce myself?
Yes,
Yeah.
take your
So,
time.
thank you. First, my name is Keiko Morikawa. I live in Japan, Tokyo, and I have been working as an actress since I was 19, university student. Yeah. And then I worked TV drama and movies and theater play. And you can see an American movie title is Silence, directed by Martin Scorsese. And
Whoa.
yeah. The
With
the leading,
Garfield.
yeah, Andrew Garfield.
Ah!
Yeah, and Liam Neeson and Adam Driver. Yeah, please watch that.
That's so Keiko-san is
Mhm.
she's an actress. It's such an amazing thing to be talking to now.
No. Thank you for inviting me today.
Thank you for giving us
Thank you.
this opportunity to talk to you.
Yeah.
うん。すごくありがとうございます。
Me too. こちらこそ。
And would you like to leave some message to our viewers before we conclude?
Pardon? Sorry?
Would you like to leave a message to our ego?
Yeah, I just want to say, please watch the red dress. Yes. Yeah. To tell the truth, Kate Kurosawa was so great acting. Yeah, I think so too. Yeah, I really think so. Yeah.
ありがとうございます。
いやー、すごい良かった。うん。
嬉しいです。ありがとう
Congratulations.
ござい
Yeah.
ます。ドキドキ。Thank you, Keiko-san. I'm very happy to see you again tonight.
Yeah, me too.
We should get ice cream again soon.
Yeah. In Tokyo?
Yes, Tokyo.
Yeah, I'm
Soon.
waiting. Yeah, soon ね。うん。
So my
Yeah.
Japanese is bad, but gozaimasu, Keiko-san. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
ありがとうございます。
はい。
Please take care.
Thank you. Bye bye. See you.
Okay naman.
I was starstruck. My cheeks are hurting because I was smiling the whole time. I love Keiko-san. Especially during the Miyakojima Festival, we were hanging out a lot. We were taking photos of each other at the beach, and then we were together most of the time. So I really love her and I missed her, and I'm so happy to see her tonight.
She's so sweet. Kinilig
I
ako.
know. I know. She's the best. I love her.
And if you're still watching, we love you here. So guys, do you have questions for our baby Kay tonight?
Yes, we still have like a lot of time actually. A lot of time to kill.
Hi.
We have 20 minutes more.
Okay, guys. Send your
Is
questions.
that right?
Any questions?
Chikahan moments na ulit, guys. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Ano pa ba?
Okay, baka may nalagpasan ulit tayo kanina eh. So we're going to get back to where we were kanina. Uh,
Oh,
alam,
what was the sorry, Beth. So, what was the most memorable moment during the film?
most memorable moment while filming the Red Dress? Ang pinaka naalala ko, kasi in Japan, I always work with kids kasi my brother has his own preschool. And then once a week, I teach them dance. Like, I teach them K-pop and then I water the dance down for it to be kid-friendly. And sa set kasi there are two kids there. One very young, I think he was 4 years old at the time, Yusuki-kun. And in between takes, we would play together a lot, even if I didn't know how to speak Japanese that well. He was always with me, and I don't know, he became kind of like my very good friend. And I really miss him. I still think about Yuzuki-kun from time to time. I'm really, really fond of children, and that was one of the most memorable experiences. And also, very weird thing to say, but I miss my daily commute to set because I would take the train all the time. And doon ako nag-internalize talaga. And I don't know, it was a very movie moment.
Mm,
Like, literally movie moment for me. And, I would do that every day if I could,
very girl.
I would I wouldn't trade it for the world, yeah.
All right. May question tayo from Mika Lovey. Tips
From
for
who?
ones who want to pursue acting. Mika. I think her name's Mika.
Where is it?
Sa baba, Bel. Like, tips for those.
Tips for those who wanna pursue acting. Oh, wait, let me think.
Oh,
Um,
this is
tips. Huh?
your Sunday moment.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm the one being asked kasi this was like, literally, I was you, Mika Lovey. I was you. And what people would always tell me na, kasi mahihain ako eh. Growing up, I mean, nung bata ako, bibo ako. But when I entered high school, things changed. I was so shy. Um, I had no self-confidence. I was always in the corner. Until now naman, I'm like the very quiet, shy kid. Pero ang laging sinasabi ng mga tao is, um, kapalan mo lang yung mukha mo.
Exactly.
And don't think about what others think of you. Ayun nga, meron akong sinabing na motto kanina. It's also applicable for that. If you choose to be unapologetically yourself, unapologetically chase your dreams, then you're going to inspire other people to do the same. It's gonna create a ripple effect from there. So it's going to start from you. And also find a really good inspiration din talaga.
Period.
Keep you going.
Ni Tita, kay matatakotin ka ba?
Dati. 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 Ngayon di na ako matatakotin. Bakit kaya? Before, I was so, like, sobrang scaredy cat ako. Like, di ako makaligo, di ako maka-CR sa gabi. Dati, sa mga multo ako takot. I think matatakotin ako ngayon before, pero hindi sa multo. Ang kinakatakot ko ngayon is, daga. Like,
Ay!
everywhere I go, guys, kahit saan ako pumunta, hindi ako tumitingin sa mga sulok-sulok kasi feeling ko may makikita ako doong daga. So, guys, never, ever, ever give me or show me a rat. No, 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 no. I'm going to die.
Oh, sabi ni Romer, nakaka-inspire ka, Ate Kay.
Ano?
Ang sweet. Nakaka-inspire ka daw, Ate Kay. Paano inspire?
Thank you. No, that's because you inspire me. If it weren't for K-Cats and yung mga fans ng K-Star, I wouldn't be who I am right now. I wouldn't be brave. You guys make me braver. You guys give me courage to do the things that I want. So thank you so much. I love you guys. And I hope that I do the same for you also.
Sabi ni Ems, aside sa pandemic, ano pa daw yung mga challenges na na-face mo?
Aside sa pandemic, pandemic sa film, ano pa yung mga biggest challenges you faced during filming? Ayun nga, ang naging main challenge for me is yung self-doubt. Internal, ano siya, sa sarili ko. Kasi nga hindi ako confident sa sarili ko that time. Siyempre, di ba, I mean, if susubok ka sa isang project without any experience before, kakabahan ka talaga. And every time na nasa set ako, yun talagang worry ko. I was so tense. So, ang ginagawa ko nun para mabawasan yung tension ko was I just talk to everyone and then focus lang talaga ako sa character ko. And ayun, parang inisip ko na lang na I shouldn't really think about it too much and if I just do it naturally how I would do it as me, then it's going to be okay. And as long as Direct Ray says everything is fine, then everything is fine. So I just put my complete trust into him. Yeah.
Good job. Question,
Yes, thank you.
Boy, I hope I'm saying that. Anong pinakagusto mong scene sa movie?
Pinakagusto kong scene sa movie, I don't want to spoil anything, but ang pinakagusto kong scene doon is, filming. I liked filming the scene where I was talking to the Japanese detectives. Kasi Japanese yung lines ko doon. And I love a good challenge. You know, I was very excited to speak in Japanese kasi nga hindi talaga ako native Japanese speaker. But then for that one, I had to be like dire-diretsong Japanese talaga. So that was my favorite scene to work on. But when I watched the movie, my favorite scene was when baka ma-spoil eh.
Just try to like come up with something, girl. Like, say it lightly.
So there's this scene, wala akong line doon. Ang line ko lang is yung name ng tita ko. But then,
Okay.
yeah, kasi yun lang. I didn't have any lines, but then when I saw that shot in the movie, I was like, ooh, I did that. I did that.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay. Ready ka ba sa action teleserye hawak na baril?
Why not?
Let's go. Okay, with a gun.
Oh my God, wait, that would be so cool. Pero kailangan ko muna mag-training kasi I'm super, hindi ako coordinated. So,
That could be like your Debs moment.
oh my God, actually, gusto ko matry. I mean, nagda-dance naman ako. So, if choreograph naman yung mga action scenes, why not, diba guys? Gusto ko maging Devon Aoki.
Exactly. Guys, do you have comments? Dahil pa nag-join. That's surprising.
May lollipop ka ba? Wala po.
Kailan ka mag-go?
Oh my gosh, guys. Golf! Funny story, nung nag-golf ako nung time na yun, hindi talaga ako marunong, guys. Pinilit lang ako ng nanay ko for 1 month to train for that. And na-expose ko lang yung nanay ko dito. Ayoko talaga. Like, hindi kasi, wala akong alam na sports. But my mom was like, kailangan may alam tong sport. So, pinag-train niya ako ng 1 month ng golf. Tapos ako parang naiiyak na kasi ayoko na talaga. Ayoko na. Gusto ko lang matulog. Ganyan. Tapos yung morning, like, nung morning ng tournament, Star Magic tournament yun eh. So, andun sila Donnie, Pangilinan, everyone was there. Ang dami na. Sila Ryan Bang, Daniel Padilla, everyone was there. And then we were practicing, like, sa driving range kami, nagpa-practice kami ng golf. Tapos naiiyak na ako kasi ayoko na talaga, hindi ko matamaan. Tapos pinapagalitan ako ng nanay ko dun in front of everyone. So, anyway, pero I would love to do golf again. Thinking about it now, it's fun. Ang favorite part ko lang pag nag-golf is pag nagda-drive na ako ng golf cart.
Like that?
Huh?
You need a license to
No.
drive a
No. Yeah.
period. Wait, Direct Donnie left a comment. Trivia daw. Did you know that in between takes, Kay was doing her homework from school and never missed any live? Oh! She's proud.
Thank you, Direk. Siyempre po, takot po akong mapagalitan, kaya hindi po ako nagkakamali. Joke lang po. Thank you, Derek. I remember I was working on this very important final paper. So, yeah, I was bringing my books and my laptop to set then, and in between takes, and I was just studying.
You were doing, sabi pa ni Doreko, I admire how she balanced her job as an actress and her responsibilities sa school. I really respect you for that, kid.
Thank you, Derek. Oh my gosh, thank you, Derek. Kinilabutan po ako. Thank you so much po. Like, thank you po. Thank you, Derek. Anything for the red dress.
Okay.
And for you, Derek.
Galing mo talaga, Ate Kay. Oh.
Guys,
Ay.
guys, masyado nila akong you're making me blush.
Hindi na makakatulog.
Oo. Piligin na ako. Umaawit mula sa kusina hanggang sa sala. Lagi-lagi, 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 lagi-lagi. Ang madaling sport, Ate Kay, Uno. Hindi rin ako marunong mag-Uno. Hindi ako marunong mag-games, guys. I'm not a player.
Ooh.
I don't play. I'm not a player. I'm a keeper. Tama na nga. Sorry guys, sorry. Masaya lang masyado. Pinapasaya mo kasi ako masyado, Chia. Your presence gives me the zoomies.
It's giving dog.
It's giving.
Oh.
Yes, I'm not a player, Ems. Guys, come on, let's chika pa. Do you have any funny questions naman? Sige, let's be more. We have 10 minutes pa. So, you know how to play bingo? Yeah, I know how to play bingo naman.
Damn. I don't know. Like,
You don't?
like, I'm bad at it. Like,
how can you be bad at bingo? It's just luck.
yeah, exactly. It's not strategy.
May past
Okay.
episodes ng Zoomers. Yung past episodes po ng Zoomers, mapapanood nyo po sa YouTube, sa official YouTube channel ng Star Magic. So, andun po siya. Meron siyang buong playlist. Yung Zoomers search and the Zoomers series mismo na sa YouTube, so you can watch that. And abangan niyo po ako dun as Faye. Period.
Bye-bye. Ano daw? Dito? Log out na daw siya. Bye, Global Donate. Okay, log out na daw siya. Sabi ng Tokyo, how would someone get your special attention?
Oh!
Ooh, juicy question.
Gusto ko yan, juicy questions, guys. Keep it up. Juicy questions pala.
How would
daring question dyan? Ay, sige. How would someone get my special attention? It's so easy to get my attention, though. Like, just be... Ngitian mo lang ako. You have it na.
Okay.
Okay. Paano nga ba, no? The easiest way to get my special attention is hold the guitar, and that's all. Like
Get.
guitar is the way. Yeah. Every
Ang galing.
time na yung celebrity crush ko, si Mark, may dalang guitar. Like, pinapatay ko talaga yung phone ko kasi napipikon na ako. Napipikon na ako kay Mark Lee, guys. Kung kilala niyo siya, napipikon na ako.
Yes.
You get it.
Of course.
You as Runa is just so cute. Galing mo na. Thank you. Luna Chandes.
Marupok ba si Kay?
Hindi. Yata. Di ko alam.
Yeah.
Paano ko malalaman yan kung wala naman akong ka-LQ? Ganun yun, di ba?
Ano Di ba Rupok is like, is it for like, exclusively away? Or is it parang just you fold easily? Yun yung intindi ko.
You fall. Okay,
Like,
yeah, maybe. Yeah,
easy. Like,
Guys, I'm just a lover girl, okay? Like naturally, it's in my blood. I love my friends. I'm a lover of everything. I'm a lover girl. I'm a big lover girl. So I'm marupok for anything, okay? But that doesn't mean I'm stupid. Tama. Pa.
exactly. Strong heart. Wait, sabi ni Direk, kahawig mo si Ana Sawai. I don't know.
Anna Sawai, Japanese actress, is it?
Ana Sawai. Oh! I'm Googling. I see.
Balita ko, childhood crush daw ni Mark Lee si Kay.
Supportive. Supportive.
Wait. Oh my God. Talaga ba? Sino nagsabi? Pwede bang, madali bang sa and si Kay? Oo. Pwede bang ipasa si Simone ngayon? Simone? Si Simone? Nasa High Street pa yata si Simone. Wait.
Simone. Yeah. Yeah.
Guys, hindi niya alam kung sino si Simone.
I know.
Dahil then,
Okay, she's my cousin.
Simone, where are you? Okay, Simone time, Simone. Nakatali si Simone eh.
Tapos nanakawan ka na.
Let me give Simone right now.
Yun yung road. Nanakawan ka ng bracelet.
Oo. Okay. Simone time. Simone.
Okay. Ano mga linya doon? Wait.
Ay, sige. Ikaw si V. Ay, hindi. Oo.
Anong
Hindi,
linya?
improv ka na lang, Chia. Alam ko umaarte ka eh. Guys, audition na to ni Chia. So, she's going to be interacting with me as Simone. Okay?
Ang prompt is ninakaw ko bracelet mo.
Ninakaw yung bracelet mo, tapos hindi mo pa alam na alam ko na ninakaw mo yung bracelet ko. Okay.
Girl, what are we doing?
No, we're giving ito ay intermission number natin. Okay. Ano bang alayin ko doon? Natatawa ako. Wait lang. Wait. I think you have to say something first. Sabihin mo lang, what? Okay. Sabihin mo lang, what? You started that. Okay.
What do you mean?
Totoo naman, di ba? Now, everyone in the school knows na klepto ka.
That's not true.
Ignorance is bliss, sabi nga nila. I guess you haven't even seen it yet.
Seen what?
Guys, ayoko na. Nadidistract ako sa hairstyle ko. Ang pangit. It wasn't giving Simone. It was giving Labandera, guys.
Kakachok.
Okay.
Girls sa show.
Okay, back to normal.
Serious time.
Galing din ni Chia.
Hoping for more projects to come. Exactly, for K. Pasok na yan sa PBB.
Nag-acting na kami yung dalawa ni Chia together. Sa Hamilton nga.
Pasok na to yung...
Wait. Aren't you gonna sing with me?
Huh?
Take a break.
Sige, wait lang. Sorry. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Take a break. Run away with us for the summer. Let's go there. Ay, wait lang. Bakit pareho tayong mababa?
Ikaw si Elizabeth ka.
Run away with us for the summer. Let's go upstate. Ayoko na.
Ako yung vocal coach.
Yes, I know. Ayoko na, guys. Okay, let's read. Crystal and KGL Project G. Mag-pitch na kayo ng story ngayon sa amin and let's see. Anong gusto nyong next na trope na gampanan namin ni Crystal. And let's see.
Sumali.
Sumali. Ikaw na, sige.
I feel like I wanna see you guys. Well, bagets pa naman kayo. So, parang pwede pa yung tweetums. Pero maybe later in the career, when you're older, I think I'd want you guys to revisit like a more mature na slice of life atake.
So, paano yun?
Like, give me angst. Give me... Yeah, like...
Give me Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo.
Like, I want something like mature na angst. Hindi yung patwitams. Like, tipong serious. Yung talagang hagulgol.
Ooh, I like that. I like that.
Yeah, diba? It's like, parang, I think it'll show a different side. Kasi parang, kayo kasi parang it's very I feel like it would be a good challenge sa inyo. So like,
I like that. Parang masaya, parang deserve ni Faye maiyak, no? Deserve ni Faye sa ginawa niya sa season 1 ang maparusahan, no?
Kaya,
she was mean. She deserves a cry. True. She deserves to break down.
Enemies to lovers.
Enemies to lovers. Oh, wait, I like that.
Ooh.
I like that. Mara Clara, but romance.
So, enemies to lovers. Enemies to lovers.
To enemies?
Enemies to lovers.
Yun nga. Nina Barkada horror movie with Zoom Kada. That would be so cool.
True. Like, campy.
Like, yeah.
Okay, Direk, are you taking note?
Derek Ray! Baka naman po. Wait lang guys, so before we end, nga pala, just wanted to remind you guys, the Red Dress is currently out on I Want TFC. So you can watch it anytime naman, but I would love to know your thoughts on the movie. So pag nakita nyo na, please, you can tag me on Instagram or Twitter para I know that you're watching and I will be sharing as well. And wala lang, sobrang na-appreciate ko lang. Even for Zoomers, every time na meron kayong posts, edits, like I do my best to notice every single tweet and post about K-Stall or me or Crystal. So, thank you so much. Super duper na-appreciate ko from the bottom of my heart. Pangarap ko lang to dati and now it's happening right in front of me and it wouldn't be possible without you guys. So thank you so much. I love you all.
Period. All right. That's all the time we have tonight, guys. Thank you so much sa mga nag-join. Mga gusto pa mag-join. I'm sorry. We're over. Pero again, we're over. It's done. All right. So again, guys, thank you so much for spending time with us. Session with, of course, Miss Keiko-san earlier. Here and yours truly, Chia. So guys, right, see you guys next time. And yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.